Hello everybody, welcome to our new lesson of Arabic language for the absolute beginner. Today we will practice writing the letter jeem, j. As you can see in this slide, we have divided the letters into two groups, those that can connect from both sides with a preceding and a following letter, and those that can only connect to the right hand side. They can connect with the letter to the right hand side. So this is the first group: ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, sin, shin, sad, ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم noon, ha, ya. This is one group. The second group is the one that can only connect with the letter to their right hand side, where we have alif, dal, dal, ra, zay, waw. So we'll keep this slide all along the lesson so that we can always refer to these letters. Whenever we need any of those letters, we can easily just remind ourselves that, look, this is a letter that can connect to the right and left, and this is a letter that can only connect to the right hand side. Here is the initial shape of this letter, j. That is the initial position. Let's have some example. We have the word jalid, which has the letter j at the beginning. So that is what we mean by jalid, ice in English. The component letters of this word is jeem, lam, ya, dal, jalid. Then this is going to show us how they connect initial j with some extension to the left so that it can connect with the following letter, as you can see here. Then the L sound, also able to connect from right and left. There is a connection to the right and a connection to the left. Following letter is ya, jali. Now again, the ya also can connect to the right and to the left. Finally, the d, jalid. Then the letters come close to one another to form the word jalid, meaning ice, jalid. One more example we can find in the word jabal, meaning a mountain, jabal. Component letters are jeem, ba, and lam, jabal. The jeem will start the word. You have a little short connection at the left of the letter so that it can connect with the ba, as you can see here. Then the b can connect to the right and can connect to the left. Finally, the L can connect to the ba through a lift, through connecting to the right hand side of the letter L, jabal. Clearly those letters will come close to one another to form the word jabal. Here is the shape of letter jeem in the medial position. We can have this shape and this shape. Examples will make this clearer. We have the word rajul, meaning a man, rajul. Component letters are ra, الجيم ج اللام ل رجل رجل. Starting with a ra, then jeem, then l. We can notice that they connect with one another. The j will connect to the l sound. The r letter cannot connect with the jeem because the r belongs to the second group, a group of letters that can only connect to the right hand side. They can connect with the letter to their right hand side. Rajul, rajul. Together we have the following form, rajul. Let's have another example where the jeem is in the middle of the word. The example we have is the word shajara. Shajara. Shajara, meaning a tree. The component letters of this word are a shin, sh, sh, a jeem, j, a ra, ra, then the atal marbuta, a, shajara, shajara. These are the component letters of this word. The sh will connect with the j, so there is an extension at the end of which, and the same thing for the j. It can extend a little bit at the beginning so that it can join with the sh. The ra is a letter that can only connect with a letter to the right hand side. Finally we have the t or ta marbuta. Shajara, 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 shajara. The final position, the shape of the letter changes slightly, where we can have either this shape or this shape. We will have examples to illustrate the use of these letters or the use of these shapes. The example we have is the word thalj. Thalj, meaning snow. Thalj, thalj. The component letters of this words are a tha, th, a lam, l, a jeem, j. Thalj, thalj. Then they connect with one another. The th will extend a little bit so that it can join the l, as you can see here. The l can connect with both the letter to the right and the letter to the left, so it's extended both ways, as you can see here. Finally, this is the shape of the letter jeem in the final position, thalj. They come closer to form the word thalj, thalj. One more example is in the word makhraj. Makhraj, meaning an exit. Makhraj, an exit. The component letters of this word is al-mim, m, al-kha, kha, al-ra, ra, al-jim. Makhraj. The m will connect with the kha. The kha can connect with both the mim and the ra. The ra can connect only with the kha. Makhraj. The j cannot connect with the preceding letter because the preceding letter is an r, and the r sound cannot connect with the following letter. It can connect with the preceding letter. So you get makhraj. Clearly those letters will come closer to one another when they form the word makhraj. Makhraj, makhraj, makhraj. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you very much. Ma'as salama.